man.
Just for going. Every day you wait, you're losing more hair. So don't put it off any longer.
That's when I was with the Charlie Daniels Band, 79 to 81. He was in his heyday. He hired 5 horns. And that year he made us some jackets up for a Christmas present. And that was on the Full Moon Tour, 79. Good old days. Jacket. We'll show the back of it a little bit. Here's the back of the Charlie Daniels jacket. Full Moon Tour. Doesn't quite fit me anymore. This is crap. This used to be a Merc drive on it. I had an inboard motor, and I had to convert it to a outboard motor. Just hide that there. Get rid of the fan, remove it, and get a shot here. This could be the last time out. Well, except I'll have to take people out for test rides, you know, when I'm selling it. Other than that, my baby! I usually have my soprano sax with me, and I play a song when I'm leaving. Usually Gilligan's Island. It's up in my RV though. Harbor Master's probably gonna complain. Where's my song? Get up past the Snow Wake, we'll light it up a little bit. I usually just go around to the right, this first cove around to the right. Anchor out, sometimes beach it. When the water's down, it's a little easier to beach, I'm not sure. There is one spot where I tie up sometimes. Thank goodness it's not missing anymore. I just hadn't taken it out for a while, so I said, you gotta take me out more often than that if you want me to run good. Might want to have a little bit more play in it. Let's see. We don't have much wind, so it doesn't matter. Here's the correct way to tie a knot on your cleat. I got it 3 years ago March. I had just left my wife. Moved out. Had to play a concert at UT at the Cox Auditorium with Knoxville Jazz Orchestra. And I was kind of living in my car because I hadn't closed on the boat yet. And I had this one solo. I'll have you listen to it. And all that emotion came out. It was just like, I didn't even want to, I didn't even think I'd be able to play. And that one solo, just like crying on it. It was pretty heavy. Best time to come out here is at night when the moon and the stars are out and the wind dies down. It's just flat. You can see the reflection of the moon in the water. Just get out on the floaty on a warm night and chill. Totally. It's like therapy for me. I'm gonna miss that. Definitely. Hear the birds now. Did they all leave? Oh, they're just being quiet. How'd they get the kids shut up? Tranquilizers. I'm gonna miss the spiders too. I take my fly swatter, come out here, and big old suckers, man, all over here. Just go bap, and the fish come and eat them. The fish hear them come, fish hear them hit. If you're in the right spot where there's a lot of fish out here. Which at night, man, you just hear them jumping all around you. I swear to God, cows are gonna make an entrance soon. Let's see, post to Facebook, Simone drowning in the lake. Off there. Mud. That was an easy one. Sometimes that fucker gets stuck. And you sit there. I've got to tie it up as high as I can and then start the motor and pull it out. This is where we try not to run into too many boats docking. No, today will be perfect. No wind. Got our groove on. Pull it right in there. Uh-oh, possible babes, possible babes. Oh, possible babe. Down to one. One babe. One babe and her friend. She's about ready to take that thing off. Might want to get a camera pointed over there. Alright, docking procedures. Kick that buoy out over there. The fender. Yeah. This is where I've been parking myself for over three years now. Gonna miss this place. You can see my TV, you can see my computer. And just chill out right here. Doug Rinaldo. About to head out of here. Dang. Change is good though. We shall move on and simplify our life. And it's all good with me. At least that's what I keep telling myself. Sax players never retire. They play until they die. There's no retiring. If you're a musician, you've got no retirement. It's not funny. It's true. Luckily, I've done enough stuff that I have a little bit of retirement. Social Security. I've got to debug it again. Enough videoing! Doug's class is retired. My glasses might retire, but I'll never retire! It's so true though. Bubba Kagan smoke. Story of my life. There's Billy Bird drowning in the lake. Get the fuck out of here, Billy. Come on, man. I'm gonna have a life here. Get out of here, man. Dang, Billy. Call the cops.